10,000 amalokhu.
Yethi ama 110. Bese mina kumele befuna ukusihlukanisa. Njalo libuye lapha li ready njengami. Na bengengidrive ogumgedlela. Hayi auntie. Yes.
Don't disappoint.
Yes. Yabona lo ngumasibindi lo.
Yes.
Yabona. Oh my god, I like the way. Hi man. Man, digital tourist man.
Talk now. Talk.
Lethana ubabona mina 1K uthatha kanjani lisithukisa abantwana lisithukisa ingane laphandle.
Hayi shem.
Lethana umagqokani so ngoba lizosithukisa ngengane la.
Wamdaluleki.
Ngoba isikhathele thina. So mina guys angazi ukuthi vele bhashi lami imazi ayinza sayamoteni imazi bhashi. And then lele ncane ngizogqoka nje ngiyabe sengu Undertaker le leather jacket.
All right. Wanting a move.
Wanting a move. All right. Kanti ngizombona nini. What music ayikhali namapiano kodwa uNkulunkulu wasezulwini. Kuthi sesiloke sidlala ingoma zesingisi. Isiphalisa nzima ke thina.
Saturday routine yami ngilalela amthawini.
Mina kade ngikhuluma nabantu sina ngenjolo umlungu because number 1 mina after 5 isikhiwo somsebenzi siyaphela bakwazi after 6 into ephumele wami uyagetha ukuthi ngithini ozilo azwazwa ukhona nje parent hlezi lazokala lisithi hayi kathi ngimenzeni ngithi ha that's enough beer bring this beer wathi hayibo yazi nhle papa wena
Sithi hayibo.
lafela ngithi hayibo wathi hayi wena Ricardo uthi hayibo wathi yazi lawuhlekile ngathi afana
This also way too much color.
which ones? All right, color you can never have too much color.
You can't have too much color.
Kanti ngizombona nini?
Mina phela ngeke ngimkulokhuzi ngiyenze ejizini.
No, phela andikakuboni. Mina ngiyakubona because mina ngiyazi ukuthi mina ngicasuloyi ukuthi ama-2K asithuka. Uyabona ukuthi usexy kanjani? Lejani put more effort. Hayi, you right. I-house party. Mina banjena bathi ngagqoka into ezifudumala kakhulu. Wena abakutshela lanti?
Hayi ngitshela ngithabele late angabi nqunu.
Hey, let's be not different. Wena bayakwazi ukuthi awugqoki wena mna wami. Bayakwazi ukuthi wena uzwane impahla wena. Namhlanje wena awugqokile. Namhlanje le jean hayi namhlanje ugqoke kakhulu wena. Ngiyakuba hey. Kanti ngizombona nini umntana ulele.
Ngiyekele mina mfana labanye abantu bekhaya khona abanye.
Kathi sitheni? Kathi sifike mina as mina lesembe mkhomba original fethi yini lezi bantu. Qalime. Sibusise ilokho zeningi.
Ishoti nje.
Ushoti kuphela ubentu uzodesha siyadesha. Khaya. Yini? Mina ngiyabukapha ngifuna ngisidakwa.
Manje siyadaka.
Yabo.
Manje siyadaka.
Ngithemba ngingafika cishe mase ngikhasted ku special ngathi ama Irish ngiyathanda bafuna sifele etshwaleni. Yini yakho?
Siyabonga shem iPhone 17 new cars.
In the program. Sala khona kusenga deputy manager emsebenzini. Hayi. Progress. Mina, Bas John.
Hayi siyabonga. Boss.
Ngomnyaka oyi1. Siyabonga. Actually ngomnyaka 6 months repair lezo cina.
Did you change jobs?
Yeah, I changed. I'm still called up Cables. Thanks for the Monahan.
How far is it
From my place it's about 40 minutes, 45 k's. From Lapenkon. You could have been to Ma? Yeah, I'm still with no. I will tell about Bambia. I got to go in. Manini ngisaza move libhodlela. Illuminati karula. Hi Lechani. Kulo Lechani la. Kulo Lechani lapha ku live. Hi Lechani. Ethonga Lechani ncube. ngulechani la lechani.
Nangu lechi.
La lo ngulechi ngulechani. Kulive also biza ngaba live.
Hi guys. Silapha ababudala.
Yibe kade mbagqokela. Hayi akuza ukuthi abantu ade sebaningi manje. Loba manje.
Hello. It's us on Kaya's live.
Yibe abantu ade mbagqokela ekseni guys ibe ngihamba lapha. Anilithe ukhona umunye othe uzathola ukhakha wabugqoka nje ugqokela kuye emfaneni. Angiye emfaneni.
For a change.
For a change.
She's not going to see a car.
For once. Let me be proud of myself.
We're proud of him.
And I want my short glass.
Oh, you look how late you're not saying.
I'm not saying, put this man to tell you short them, but now try short. It's a one and she's way which is short. I think he's short today.
Yeah. I really throw him right.
Which is couple. Kawan, I'm not looking mumus. I want to know so who
I met Jameson. I tell them, guy.
I will. Jameson Villa is the way to go. Very Jameson. Risky for what? Not let like it. I wish I was telling so my late to get to. So shall I see what's by you? Velangas and I super late life in me right. And the God forbid to have in Bella Shem over against his tag. That's the process of the now. Go out and back and stand by that.
That jacket is nice, Mako.
In nicely. For the good element to the end, just in case.
Alright. I guys forget what guys now travel you must always be a girl guy. I can't go away in Nancy. Go ya cool there.
No more who have out ngiyadesha nkosi yami nge-energy drink ukuze ngapho ungadaki ngize ngiphase out.
Wow, wena usinikeza ungadeshwa.
Litheli funa ishort leyathi ishort yini? No, ishort leyakwazi yini kodwa. Hayi lapha sesiqhawa English.
Ngiyakwazi lokuyifaka. Ngifakile kona.
Mina ngihlala eback seat ngihle khulume manje. Ngoba mina ngiyadala.
Mina ngitholi bancane. Short to be. Alright. Ngicela ugqoke something warm for now uzafuna ukufika ngayo. Sengidwele ngangena ngote nama right mama. Vela ngeke ngiyenze lokho.
Yazi mama u-anti ubehave like a true mother. Sengathi ugqoka something.
Ngiyagodela sinyafika kodwa ngeke.
Bona futhi sinama crocs phela mina bengavunyelwa izitolo zingakhathi.
That is because I'm that very girl guide.
Mina vele ngigirl, mina anti shame yabona le bottle ngithwele, le charger ngithwele.
Vela ngiyabona awula switch jacket la khona. Mina sisu. But I am not. No, we are station light phela.
Are we on video? Is she doing a live? I am the auntie. I'm the one who taught her witchcraft.
Yes, I did. Must be umnaka babami lo guys umphuma mphume wakhe. Amvala ngigabela is Stanley Cup yami. Pholo khaba phucukile sile moto ezinje silama Stanley Cup aba understand abantu. Nanko is comment la. Huh?
Ngibani?
Oh no, ibizo lakho please.
Hayi yahlanya. Ngibani wakho mina?
Wow, second baby isikhathi
Abajana le.
hayi kule sasonto de champagne. No, intente she one. Uzophuma zithi. Asikhathi sokudlula sidinga ideshi please. Ngabe nje amadesha ethu. Iwhiskey.
I'll let you see.
Juice.
Awusayenzi orange crush.
Hey, orange class ayenzi.
Oh, kanti ngidesha ngani?
Mina ngithenga energy drink iloku zenini. Nanko.
Sengiright la lonke. Hayi ngidesha phambili.
Desha phambili njani? Desha uzobulokhu natha.
I-drink leyi. Kanti umuntu nyanga yasincince phinda sithi.
Hayi ngiyasho phela ukuthi izophela. Ngiyasho ukuthi izophela ideshi. Mina ngifuna ukuthi mase ngidesha ngifuna ufica ideshi yami khona. Into yokusala nje phela. Ngoba ngiqothela ama short endlini kwenyazi yaphela.
By brain girls? By dinner singadlula lapha. Nto imoto yadlula lokho.
Ikhona kabana. Anyway, ungayisola even ungathenga i-Red Bull kushapa.
Funa blazer lele. No, for the jacket. Oh, blazer white because I'm old.
Jacket.
Why blaze? No, because I'm old.
Maning, amakhiye emoto ngifuna ukutshindla. Yalahleka khona la siyakhona. Shawa kama khiye emoto la okay. Shop. Mase ndawo kakhulu amakhiye phezu microwave. Wathi mvale nga. Kukhile ngapho kodwa. Mama, Ama-crocs angabi. Ma-crocs abomvu angaqedakaliyo. Hayi akona ma-crocs abomvu angaqedakaliyo la. But kugcwele icapule eziningi. Azi uNkulunkulu othi wandikelana unyawo ngathi lukhudlana. Ngabe lapha ngigqoka lapha mina day.
Yebo lapha sonke.
So bona ama-crocs. So khalele fast kangaka.
What are you wearing shoes? Yeah, let's go, girls. Let's go and have fun.
Jabulani bazukulu bami libahle siyabonga malume.
Ukhona 20 charge?
Mina ngiphethe charge vela ngihambi ngelayo. Wokathi athatha imoto semuva kade siyemuva.
Noma siyemuva ngemuva kuphiwa phela.
Sengikhohle stand ikhaphi yami ngovu nje. Semphethe inkunguru yami engaka. Bana sifon phezulu la. Namakhiye moto yakhona.
Badalule i-jacket. Emoto.
Nasifoni nakamakhiye. Alright, sharp. Ha, upake ngaphi kanti? Ngupha upake ngale? Okay, alright. Why? Awena sumphethe phela ukudrive mina wena mzala.
Ngiyazama ekhaya kodwa lapha bengikhona ukufaka.
Hayi imoto yakho phela incuncuncu beyichilikisa kawadi nje ukuthi kwi. Andibuka futhi 3 bazondipota mapho. Inga. Hlala ngimajina ngisiwa ngecaphu lezi. Wejwala bami. Manje udriver uyavuma ukuthi sichaya umculo emotweni yakhe kumbe. Yazi kuba ipassenger kunzima. Wesisabathe engcwele singathi sizocula ingoma zesabatheni ekhaya. Sekudena. Hayibo he. Yime nge iPhone 17. Yime nge iPhone 17. Bese ngikhohliwe. Yime nge iPhone 17. Pause guys and touch